Hello guys, welcome back. I have a Samsung Galaxy A30s and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset through recovery mode. This process will also remove a screen lock if you have one, for instance, if you don't know the passcode. I have one, but I'm going to proceed as though I don't know it. Number 1, you want to shut off the device, and as you probably already figured out, I can't really do it without a passcode. If you try, it will tell you the pattern is incorrect, so we need to forcibly shut it off. To do it, hold the power key and volume down. You want to keep the screen on so you can see when the display turns off. Once the display turns off, switch from volume down to volume up. Let's do it. It turns off. I switched to volume up, and we're now in recovery mode. From here, use the volume keys to navigate. Volume down goes down, volume up goes up. You want to select Wipe Data Factory Reset like so. Once selected, press the power key to confirm it, then select Yes and press power key once more. At the bottom, you'll receive a dialog box with Data Wipe Complete as the last entry. Reboot System Now should be selected by default, so all you need to do is press the power key once more to reboot the device. A reset process will continue in the background even though the screen won't show anything. It will take a little longer to turn back on, so just be patient. Once it's finished, we should be greeted with the setup screen. I'll be back once that is visible. As you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Once I finish the setup, you will have no screen lock, at least not the prior one, only the one you might set up during the actual setup. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.